Hi guys, we are on raingg today and we have 200 bucks and we are gonna do some case battle. Let's start with one. Let's start with battles. Create new battle. I want to team battle, guys. Let's choose your cases. What is this auto? Okay, let's try this. What? What is this? Auto? Create battle? No. We need the keyboard. I don't understand. No problem. Okay, what is it? Add now. Add. And maybe we can do all in case battle. Let's do all in case battle. I hope we can win this. Oh, okay. And for last Chrome, no, we can't. Okay, then let's add this. Okay, great battle for. Let's start with bots. Let's go, guys. I hope we won this. Well, best start, but no problem. Let's go, bot. Let's go. Really. Please, we need to yellow things, please. Very bad starts. No. Please, raingg, GG, please. What the heck? No. Okay. No. Okay. Please. We lose right now. Yeah, still you lose. Why we did all in battle, guys? Maybe we can win with this. No, we can't win. Please, just one time yellow things, please. Just one time. We need this. Please, last case, please. Yeah, stop. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, please. Oh, maybe fire serpent. Stop. Okay, how much? Okay. So good. Okay. Thank you very much, GG. Wait, who should with the last case? Okay. Go three-way, and I want to do crazy mode. Yes, select this. And I just want to one case, only a case. Great battle. Let's try. Let's go, please. No, fuck, we lost. Oh, someone joined it. Fuck. No. Okay, no problem. Let's do one more in battle maybe. Jordan, good, Mercy, Eclipse, only case, and one more few times. No, we can't. Okay, one more Mercy. Let's try. Team battle, right? Yes. Okay. Start with boss. I hope we can win this one more time. Let's do it. Bad. No problem. We have a lot of case. No. Okay, it's good. How much? Okay, it's good. Mercy. Okay. How much? Okay, still good. No, we won. Yes. Stop. Okay. We are lead, but Eclipse. No. Fuck. Okay. How much? Please, got my. No. How much? No. How much is this? Okay. Maybe a lot of things we won. No, we lost this, guys. Yeah, we lost. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next videos, guys.